over the world, people have been really selfless regarding the current situation. We would like to thank our NHS, frontline and key workers. Thank you for the work you are doing. As a church, we've played our part in the community. Let's hear from one of our volunteers on FaceTime. Social distancing. Hey!
Hi, hello.
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. How's the lockdown going? How's it going?
Yeah, lockdown has been obviously it's tough for everyone, but for me, living in Southampton, coming back home, it's good to be with the family for a long period of time, and obviously also not being able to play football, it's been tough. So trying to keep up the weekly routines, doing my 5k runs and my 3k runs just to keep my fitness levels up in case we do go back to football. So apart from that, it's been alright, I guess.
Yeah, that must have been really hard for you because obviously your week are always like trainings on the pitch and all that kind of stuff. So not doing that, how do you actually feel?
Yeah, obviously not being with the football boys, not being part of the team, it's tough because obviously I'm with them 2-3 times a week. So not being able to kick a football, or not being able to go and see my teammates and stuff, it's been a bit tough. But we got to follow the guidelines of the government and just stay at home so we can save the NHS, really.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So I just wanted to find out, how did you feel about being part of the volunteer team to help drop off the grocery item? Is this something that you've done before, or is this all new to you?
I've done it once, obviously, when I was in Southampton. Must have been about 3 years ago. Just randomly, I was going for a jog. Must have been around December time, Christmas time. It was really cold outside, and I saw one homeless man with his dog, and it was freezing. And I remembered that I've got a spare duvet at home, so I quickly ran home, got my spare duvet, came back to him, and I gave it to him. Just to see a smile on the face was probably what done it for me. So I've always wanted to do something like that again. But apart from giving out money, like little coins to homeless people and stuff, so it's something I always wanted to do anyway. So
Yeah, absolutely. And obviously, what advice would you give to someone that would like to be part of that team and wants to do something for their community or be part of the...
I think the first advice would be, obviously, if you want to do something, you've got to worry about your own safety, not the safety of others. So remember your social distance when you are doing these things, or make sure you get your mask and your gloves. And if you do want to do it, I would just be like, take the risk. There's loads of people out there, elderly people, vulnerable people who need help. And you just need to literally take the risk and go, whether it's for one person or for 10 person in your community. Just give it a go, and you never know, how much you can help, or how much you can help these people, and you never know what they actually need. So it would be good to just help them out and see where it goes with that.
Yeah, how did you feel when you actually done it? I mean, what's the feeling like?
It was a good feeling. Obviously, it was good to help out the community, and just to play a part on my side. All I do at home now is do my exercises, go for a jog, and to obviously go out, drive a car, and give a grocery to someone who needs it. So it was more of a good feeling, more of like a good deed kind of thing. So
yeah,
it
absolutely.
was a good feeling for me, and I'm very, very happy to be part of the Eko Church and to volunteer to give out food and groceries to the vulnerable people or elderly.
Yeah, absolutely. And thank you for being part of the team and helping us out in this current situation. You are very much yeah, thanks for helping out, and thank you
Anytime.
for being part of the team.
Much.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care.
Bye. God bless. Yeah, so that's it from one of our team members has helped out with the grocery items. So I'd like to encourage someone, if you want to be part of the team, please send us an email, ekochurch@gmail.com, or we're on social media as well as Instagram, Facebook, social, Instagram, Facebook, and you can just send us an email or message, and then we'll be in touch. And obviously, if you something it's in your heart and you want to help out, you can start with your community. Whether you're helping one person or 2%, you don't need a list of 50 people before you actually go out there. Every little help is actually helping somebody. And so that's it. We would like to say thank you to our volunteers and for everyone that's donated. Thank you so much. You really appreciate it. And thank you. God bless.